Oh, hi, Sagram Savlik here. Today we're going to talk about starting a cult on Urbit using Gora. So Cult is a new piece of software from Cordis that allows you to wrap a Gall agent in such a way that you can create a secret group on the new groups product around a piece of data. So in this case, we're going to create a cult around a Gora. So here we have a couple of Gore, totally normal, non-cult Gore, but we're going to change that. So head over to a Gora of your choice, and you can note that at this point nobody holds it. So we're gonna change that as well. So this icon here lets you start a cult. So you give it an identifier. Can I spell? This is not the name of the cult. You can change that later. It's an identifier that groups needs. So once you perform your sacrifice, you'll notice that we don't have any devotees nor propaganda targets. But let's do that. Let's brainwash Zod and Dev. So in this case, I'm Zod. Some of you may have suspected. So once we send these hypnotic brainwash messages, these ships will hold this Gora, assuming they accept it. In this case, we accept it automatically because we're the host. And at this point, we have a cult. We can check it out here. So the cult name starts off as just a cult. You can see that identifier that we used up in the URL, but we can change that and call this whatever we want. Cult of the Dead Octopus seems like a good name. We don't have any channels yet because it's newly created, but we have a secret group, and currently Zod is the only member, but Dev, having received that invitation, once they hold this Gora themselves, they'll also be a member of the cult. And that is all there is to it. If you want to know more once you're in the app, we have added a little bit of information to the explainer page. And if you want to learn about integrating Cult with your own agent, come talk to us on Urbit. See you later.